Hello class, welcome to lesson 6. In this lesson, we're going to talk about Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, creating a worksheet and charts, and you're going to learn to create formulas, functions, and formatting. Okay, so I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Excel. So to open Excel, I have the application here from Microsoft Word. And as you see, it's opening. So we do blank workbook. We also have templates. As you can see here, there are plenty of templates for personal monthly budget, long amortization schedule, weekly chore schedule, and many other features. So now we're going to open a blank workbook. Okay, so here it's Excel. As you can see, you can put text. You can insert a text. Sorry about that. You can insert a text example. All right, so you can format this as you can put here as it's the same as Microsoft Word. You can have many fonts. You can also use here bold, italics, or underline, same. And you can also make the text bigger. And also we have cell styles. So cell styles, this will be a heading, right? Headings, if you click here and you go to cell styles, you can do heading 2, 3, or you can do it as a title. And you can also choose themes for the whole sheet, for the whole document, okay? As you can see, and then you can double click here to fit the whole font here. You can also name, as you see here, sheet 1. You can right click and you can rename it as the test. This is the insert tab. So in the tab you can also put a tab color, any color you want, red. There's also green, any color you want. So now we can do numbers. You can put 456, 457, any other number you want. And this is just and you can use the auto sum, which is right here on the right side, to sum it. If you do not want to use that, you can also do function and you can do sum, and then you click OK, and then you can actually choose what you want to sum. Okay, and then as you see there, it's column A, cell 327, and then you click OK. You can also format numbers by selecting the whole column and then do right click and format cells. You can do it as number with a space, or you can also do currency, format cells, currency, accounting, same as currency, and you can choose how many decimal space you want. So we can do currency like that, or you can also come here and choose the formatting as well, the number formatting. It's the accounting number, percentage, or comma style as well. All right, now I'm going to show you how to use the flash fill option. As you see, your names are typed here. And what we want to do is we want to separate the first name and last name. First and last name. Okay, so what we want to do is, as you see here, it says Gina Carroll. So we're going to type Gina here. And what you do is you right click here and then you drag it down. Okay, let me go again. Right click here and drag it down, and then you're gonna get this option that says flash fill, and as you see, the first name is typed. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the last names, and we have here, and again right click on the right corner, and then you drag it all the way down and use the flash fill. Now, even there are any characters between, as you can see here, Gina.Carol. If we want to do the same thing, we copy and paste it. What we do it is like right click, copy, right? And then we right click here and paste it. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna type here Gina, correct? And here we're gonna use the flash fill again, and then it's gonna be the same. As you can see, the flash fill option also works if you have characters in between. So we do the same thing and flash fill. Okay, so I've created this little little data for us to learn how to do charts. Okay, first of all, this is an expense, a monthly expense by department for food, technology, clothing, automotive, photo, pharmacy, and a total of all expenses. Now, what we want to do is want to create a chart for all the expenses by in-store, catalog, and online. So what we're going to do, we're going to highlight, right? We don't highlight the total, we highlight the information that we want to insert the chart about. So we do insert, and we can do it as chart, as column. We have also recommended charts here, as you can see it, and we'll do a clustered column chart. And we can also right click here and move the chart. We can move it either to a new cell, or we can do it to a new sheet. In this sheet will be chart info. So as you see, the new sheet, it's named chart info. And this is how you can play with if you want to use legend, and if you want to do it on the right, as you can see, on the top, on the left, bottom, however you want, more options. We can do it on the top, correct? Okay, so now we want to change the chart to title. We want to put a title here as we can put it as monthly expenses. And this is how you do a chart. You can also go back there and insert it as a pie, a 3D pie or a 2D pie, or as a donut. So we want to do it as a 3D pie, same thing, and then we went to do as, you can also move this chart and you can put new sheet, and then you can put 3D version. And this is for the in-store. When you go in-store, what's the expenses through in-store, and you want to see the labels, as you want to see the numbers for each section. So you click on labels to see all the information. All right, and that's the information about the charts. You just have to make sure you don't click on the totals because you want by section. Okay. Okay, now I want to show you how to access Excel online, which is Google Sheets, or in this case on OneDrive. So I'm logged into my Lackawanna College portal, and they have Office 365 here. And once it's open, you have options here for Outlook, Teams, Word, and Excel. So you go to Excel, and it's the same. You can use templates as well, or a new blank workbook. One thing that I wanted to show you is that our Excel file that I have here, you can do share as well, and then you can choose the OneDrive. Okay, so even this is like the desktop version Excel, you can use OneDrive to share, and it takes this file to the OneDrive share. So you can, same as Microsoft Word, you can type an email here. I'm going to type my own email here. You can share with a Gmail or any other name. You can also do copy, right? A shareable link, and then copy and paste it on an email as well. So once it's saved here, as you see here, then when you go to OneDrive, let's go to OneDrive. Right here, you can go to the files saved. You can go home, and it should appear here. But what you have to do is that you have to make sure you are logged in, as it says here, my Lackawanna College email. So what I have to do, it's refresh it, because I just did, and reopen it again. And as you see here, it says modified just now. So now it's online. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you, that even though you worked on Microsoft Excel, you can save it on the OneDrive to share it. Okay, so that was a quick review of Excel and in Sheets on OneDrive. And Google Sheets is the same thing. You just have to go to a Google account. Let me show you real quick. To a Gmail account. Gmail. Actually, if I type my name here, let me see. Sorry, Gmail account. Gmail. And you have to go to the right side, and you go to the bottom, and as you see here is Sheets. And same thing, you can create a blank one or open a new one, a used one. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I encourage you to watch all the videos I provided for this week so you can complete your assignment. Thank you and have a great week.